Hello, I am Miriam. I am from Dragon's Lair, so I make all sorts of things out of polymer clay, but the main thing that I usually work on is my dragons. I've always loved dragons, and I make little clay dragons that I sell at market stalls or on my website. And I adore making these little creatures. They're so much fun. I have a souffle that I haven't used yet that's actually a reasonably close fit to that colour. So I don't think it will require a lot of mixing. And rather than using contrasting colours today, I thought I would mix the blue with the white and make a nice pale blue for the main part of the dragon, and then have the highlights in the pure blue. Tight little roll so that I'm making sure, because I've been kneading it, so there might be some air pockets in there. Then I flatten them out just a tiny bit and pinch so that it becomes a really fat teardrop. This is where my little plastic tool comes in. So I find this useful for making the toes on my dragons because it's not quite as sharp as the craft knife. So it does push the clay a little bit rather than just slice right through it, which I find gives a much nicer look to my little toes. Tiny little foot. So the first thing my dragon always gets is thighs and feet. Little dragon with little feet. Now at this point, wherever it is, so I made myself a little stamp with a reverse image of my logo on it. And dragons come stamped with my logo. So just need a personal touch. A tiny, tiny little arm. And I raided my little supply of things that I'd pre-made. So this is a polymer clay calla lily. Alright, so now I'm going to make the wings. Some horns, oh, and some ears. Oh, my little floppy ears. Yeah, my dragon's gonna have little floppy ears. So I don't know if you saw on the previous dragons, but I like my little floppy ears. Big floppy eared dragons. And these I flatten right out into two little flat blobs. I keep them as circular as I can, and then lift them off with my blade off my tile. And then I use sort of the wedge shape on this tool, and I press, and then how do I do this on camera? And then roll. That makes my little dragon ear. Horns. Swirly horns. Oh, actually, and before I start handling the dark blue, I'm going to use the back of my crochet hook. That's what I was looking for, and just make little indents where I want those eyes. Out of my little collection. I should probably have opened that so that you could actually see what I have. Is I have a whole bunch of half round pearly bead things that I use for eyes. So I'm going to find the nice dark blue one. Alright, so the wings are ready to go. Oh, just dropped one on the ear. Get down there. The wings are ready to go, the dragon's ready to go. I need to sort out the horns in this colour. So I will line this up. Okay, now the medium horns. Alright, I need to twist these. These are all the bits I now need to assemble to make my dragon. So, I'm going to start with the ears. He's got little flopsy ears. He looks pretty cute. Okay, so the ears are on. I place the horns. Next layer of horns. So I'm not blending this in too much, I'm just relying on the fact that the clay actually sticks to itself really well. And we have the horns on the dragon. Alright. Alright. So the wings. Looks pretty good. I think I'll put the flower in at this point because my hands keep wanting to stick together. I'll stick the gems down the spine before I curl the tail. So I'll try and do this in a way that you guys can see reasonably well what I'm doing. And that's it. Little dragon is about to go in and get himself baked. Hello, I'm back. It's cold, hence the jumper. My little dragon has been baked and is looking pretty damn cute. So that's all done. You obviously can't see it here, so I will make sure to put some pictures somewhere that you'll be able to see a little bit clearer how it turned out. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe up here, I think. I'll make it up there. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.